Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint, and before we will be able to actually add the fingerprint to the device, we will have to set a screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern, PIN or password, depending on which option you will choose. So simply tap on the one you'd like to use. Let me draw the pattern, redraw it and confirm. Here we have to decide what kind of content will be shown on the lock screen, so it's up to you. Just mark the option and tap on Done. Now we have to add our fingerprint, so we've got the instructions. We'll have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located under the or on the screen. So let's tap on Start, of course give the permissions, and now let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, of course, for better recognition. As you can see, it's quite sensitive, so it will show you the information that this part has been already added and you have to move your finger slightly. So just read the instructions. Alright, and as you can see we just successfully added our fingerprint, so let's tap on Done. And here we've got the options which are connected with the fingerprint, so you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so the unlock option and privacy and app encryption. You've got the animation style, so of course you can change it. Just tap on this option and pick the one you like the most. I don't know which one I like, maybe this one. Okay, just tap on Apply. Let's go back. We've got the icon pattern, so this option you can also customize. You can show fingerprint icon on off screen, which is quite useful because thanks to this you can always know where to put your finger to unlock the device. This is the fingerprint we just added. You can rename it just by tapping on it or remove it. You can add another fingerprint. I believe up to 5 different fingerprints can be added. You can verify the fingerprints, so you can always check which one you've got added and remove those which are unnecessary and you don't want to keep them. You've got the instructions and privacy statement. Alright, so that's all. Let's lock the device and let's check if it is working actually. So we should have the fingerprint icon, which is right here. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.